Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. That is my education right. And today's video I'm going to discuss about one application which is called Hibro application. I'm going to discuss or I'm going to make a video on this application because that application helped me a lot, because before 6 months I was not able to understand or I was not able to listen, but with the speaking practice I could improve a lot of things in my communication. So I nowadays I'm able to speak. So let's talk, guys, that when you go to the Play Store, so after downloading this application, that application asks you about signing. Okay, after signing you have to just put your mail ID there, and after putting your mail ID, just you will go and you will reach on the main page of this application. And and guys, after that, I'm actually I would like to tell you that now if you want to, you have to take a subscription like 1 month or 3 months. So it is not a big amount, just rupees of 85. You can take a subscription of 1 month. So 85 rupees is not a big amount, guys, for speaking practice. Okay, so after that, just you do a call now. Just click on the button call now, and you can see that you can see the, yeah, I found a partner on this application. Okay, hello, hello, hello. So I think he is not audible to me, or because I think because I'm recording the video, that's why. Let's find another partner. So hello, hello. Yeah, hi sir. How are you? How are you? Yeah, I'm also fine. I'm also fine. Just your name is Nikhil, right? So I'm making a video on Hibro app, about Hibro app, and just it is a test call. Okay. So for my viewers, I have a YouTube channel. Okay. So yeah, and my YouTube channel name is My Education Right. Please go and subscribe. So just I'm going to, yeah, My Education Right, and this video I will put on my application about related to Hybrid application. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm going to disconnect the call. Sorry for that. Yeah, yeah, bye. Yeah, you could see that how it works. So it is a good application, guys, and I will suggest you, though there are many applications, but Hybro, there are many applications which is good. Hybro, and Open Talk and Josh Talk, and also Expluency. So guys, this video about the application, because you know that we have to do a practice of speaking. It is the most important practice of learning any language, and even an English language, mainly in English language. Just speak and download this application. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, like my if you like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.